My name's George Salazar. I'm from Los Angeles, California, and I brought my 2000 Sportster 1200 Custom to the show. I always loved choppers, and I sold my old bike after El Diablo, and I went from knowing nothing about building a bike, and I just went all in, and I checked up Chop Codes forums, and you know, I took some welding classes. I did all the fab work myself. I rewired everything, and yeah, so shout out to all the home builders that are just like learning as you go. If I could do it, anybody could do it. I hear a lot of good reviews about the Throttle Addiction kit, so I went ahead and put the trigger. I think I found them at Born Free 2021. Yeah, I took some classes, some welding classes down the street from my house, and I wanted to do everything myself, so I went for about 6 months and learned how to TIG weld, and yeah, went from there. The fabrication on it, just like me being able to like wrench in my garage, not knowing anything, and just picking it up and learning as I go. So I have a friend out of Long Beach, and I wanted to support local painters, you know, small-time businesses, and I've seen his work online, and I reached out to him and I told him this. I gave him just a free design, just like this is the colors I want, and I just let him do what he does best. My name is George Salazar. I'm from Los Angeles, California, and you can find me on IG. It's George_McFlight.
With thousands of chopper parts, a 90-day return policy, and free shipping on orders over $100, ThrottleAddiction.com is the best place to build your dream bike. Check out their selection of custom handlebars, fuel tanks, made in the USA hardtails, and so much more. For more than a decade, Throttle Addiction has been manufacturing and selling the best custom parts on the market. Build, customize, and ride with ThrottleAddiction.com.